So I am headed to the race venue now, and I am about 15 minutes away. I was dropped off by the coach that brought me down to Brighton, and I'm heading to Preston Park. It's really a nice one to do today. The weather is brilliant and it's amazing, and I'm not nervous for some reason. I think I would have been nervous if I was really running for a time. I'm just going for the experience. I did a marathon 3 weeks ago. I know what it's like, so let's see. Yeah, well, look at the sun. I mean, the vitamin D I'm getting today is second to none. And my melanin skin needs this, trust me. So, just got into Preston Park now. And yeah, music, the vibe, everything looks good. So, let's go. Let's get ready. Woo! Trust me to have fun. I'm already vibing to the music. Woo! So it's filling up now, and I've seen some of my running club members, and so I've also seen Ollie from my run club. Hi, Ollie, say hi.
And they are in every way wearing a flag, showing their face on their
Yay! Woo!
The paparazzi's arrived. So we're heading to, we just dropped our bags off, and then we are heading to the loos. Time for the loo.
Time for the loos. Oh my god, and so many people. That's good. We're still waiting, but we can see that the first wave are off. There they go. Look. Get the shot again.
Salvation Army are collecting your unwanted clothing near
All the wave starts
If you are taking in any hoodies or any jumpers, do hand those over to our volunteers. And it is a glorious day today in Brighton. The weather always shows up for Brighton Marathon, and 2025 is no different. The sun beating down.
Doing some warm-ups as well. Woo! Keep going! You got this! Go on!
To head to the start line, waving one of you in wave one. From 40 runs, good to see you. We had a chat with Chris earlier, you won't be surprised to hear. Run crew, the road runners, run academy. Around about 2 minutes. Spectacular as we've been.
Heading to the start now. We're heading to the start.
Number 5, well done, wave number 5. You're on your way.
Ready for this?
Ready? Woo, we're heading there now. We are going there.
30 seconds crew. So ready in 15, 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Woo!
Thanks on everyone out there supporting.
oh, it's a great hat.
God, there's been a brutal hill to start with. So we've been going up a hill. That's crazy. 1K in. Woo, 1. Finally, downhill. Woo, finally.
He's getting on.
Hey, good job.
Easy. Light. Woo! 4K. 4. We've done 4. 38 left. Woohoo! Doing a really comfortable pace with Gemma, which is sensible. So it's really feeling very achievable.
Warm.
Yeah.
That's the word. Warm.
But let's keep going. We're good. Woo! Fantastic! 5K, 5. 5. Grateful to be doing this. Got it. Thank you. 6K, 6. Woo! 6. Woohoo! Woo! I hope that helps. I hope. 7K! 7K! Woo! 7! Woo! How lovely is that? Everyone is out, such a good day. 8K! 8! Woo! We got this! Let's keep going. Come here! Woo! 9K! Woo! Woo!
It is warm.
10K! 10K in! Yeah. Fucking hill. We got this. 11K! 11! Woo! 11. 11! Woo! Seafront! Coming up! Woo! We got this! Seafront is beautiful. Really nice. Well done, Gemma. Well done. We're going up a hill. This is a bit tough, but we got this. 12K! 12! We got this! Woo! Wow, that's very entertaining. 13K! 13! 13K! 14K! 14!
Well done, guys.
Woo! 9 miles. 15K. 15. Woo! We got this. Woo! Let's go. 16K. 16. Woo! 16. 10 miles. 17K. 17. Woo! 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 18K. 18. Woo! 19K, 19, woo! 20K, 20, woo! 21, woo! Woo!
And I fall.
Hi, Paul!
You alright?
How you doing?
Eugene, get in it. Get in it, girl. Get in it.
I'm running to you.
Let the mighty camera. Let it go.
22K. 22. 23K. 23. Woo. 24K. 24. Woo. 26K. 26. Hard. 26. 26K. 27K. 27. 28K. 28.
Well done, Izzy. Well done. Keep going, keep going.
It's so hard.
Good job, well done. Good.
Thank you. Bye, Gemma. It's so hard.
You're doing
Thank you.
You're doing absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
29K. 29. It's hard. Oh. Gemma is not running with me anymore, so it's tough now. 30K. This is so hard. Whoa. 30K. 30. Oh. 31K. 31. 32K. 32. Oh, it's tough. Oh. I found Paul. Let me see if I can stick by him. But I doubt it. My legs. Oh. Lap. 33K. My legs. I've done it again. Seized up. It's a shame. Oh, so painful. But let me try. 34K. I feel like giving up. Oh, hard. 34K. 35K. I have a cramp now, so I'm finding it very hard. 6K. I want to give up. I can't do this anymore. I just feel like I can't. Yeah, my legs. This is bad. Cramping so much. I don't know what's happening. I'm cramping so badly. My right leg. Cramping back leg. 37K. 37. 38K. 38. Woo. So hard. Oh, almost 39K. I think I'm done. I'm just done. I don't know. I'm done. So just enjoy the view. I can't do it anymore, I don't think. I'm almost, 39K now. Well, yeah. Done. 39K now. My legs. And I think I'm just done, to be honest. I've proved to myself that I can do a marathon, and yeah, this is tough. It's just my legs and the cramps, and my waist down is just a mess. So I don't know if I want to run anymore. I may walk to the end, or I may just jog it easy, but I can't even pick up my legs. I feel like lead. Yeah, marathons are hard. $40K, 2 more K to go. I'm just going to walk it, I think. So
Doing a vlog at the same time.
I know, and I'm dying. Thank you. Oh, bless you. Thank you. All right, so I think I'm done. Let's just carry on and get to the end. $41K. Just walked it. Couldn't run. Yeah. No point. I'll just get to the end now. That's all. Just finish. 2K. 42. 200 more. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank
Well
you.
done.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Look at my badge. Woo.
that's us done. I'm just trying to look for my bag, and once I collect that, then I will be. I think I've walked past it. Oh fuck! I walked past it. I have to go back. Yes, Katie, I did it. Oh, I started crying at 35k. I wasn't a hug from like the Harry. I was like, we're crying.
Oh, gorgeous.
Well done. Yeah, we need a photograph.
Oh, my family. That's all.
Hello. How's your day been?
Yeah? Good. Oh, well done.
I've seen the Harriers now. I can stop crying.
Oh, well done.
Going home now. Really tired, but yeah, we got it done, and we got it done.